He's a beast. I'm gonna go do something.
Paris, I wouldn't do that if I was you. I'm gonna zoom in. Here we go. I'm zooming in.
Do you see that in the background? Look back there. You see that back there? The shadow is moving, which it's not supposed to. Why does he have glowing eyes?
No, I didn't do anything.
It's probably the side effects.
God, probably. No one knows about this mystery. Look, now they're like, what the heck? You see this cat?
He's a creepy-eyed cat. Okay,
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Now he looks away. Y'all don't see him in the distance. He's right there. He's right here.
Oh God, we see him. Paris, we see him. Oh!
Oh, he's a beast. Yeah, pretty much good.
What the heck?
We're just staring at literally.
The green dot.
Yeah, why do we see a green dot?
This looks so creepy. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh. Now it's it's like flickering.
Okay, now it's coming back to do.
You see that?
Looks like the eye of Cthulhu.
It does. So that's it, guys. We're gonna go and investigate this thing. Bye.
Bye. No, bye.
Bye, guys.